Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the gift card code and available balance so you don't hit surprises later. Once done, open the Phonepe app and make sure you're signed in with your number. This links to your profile and wallet. Next, tap the Wallet or Gift Card section. Phonepe may show a dedicated option. Make sure network is stable and keep your UPI PIN or linked payment method close because the app may request verification during the ad process. Now you'll redeem. Navigate to Wallet or Gift Cards and choose Add Gift Card or Redeem Code. You must type the code exactly, avoid confusing 0 and O or 1 and I, because a mistyped character will fail. After entering the code, the app validates balance. Once validated, confirm the displayed amount and accept any terms. Tap Redeem or Add. If Phonepe asks for authentication, enter your UPI PIN or complete biometric verification. So the gift card, with the card added, you can use the wallet balance at checkout by selecting Pay with Phonepe and choosing Wallet as payment source. Make sure the gift card amount appears in your wallet and verify via transaction history to confirm the credit. If a payment fails or balance is missing, don't panic. Stop and capture a screenshot of the code entry and any error messages. Then contact Phonepe support through the app, provide the code, screenshot, and timestamp so they can trace and resolve the issue promptly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.